Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix battery drain on your REALME 16 Pro Plus. First, go into battery settings and detect the apps with the highest usage. Scroll down to battery, then check battery usage from the last 24 hours. You'll see apps like camera settings and the system launcher, but since those are system apps, there's not much you can do there. However, you can go into power saving settings, scroll down to app battery management, and select an app to restrict its background activity. Just disable it like that so it won't run in the background, and you can do this for every app listed. For example, if you don't need Instagram running in the background, just disable it. Remember, turning off background activity may cause notifications to come slower or not at all, so be careful with apps you actually use. Next, uninstall some bloatware apps that came with the system but aren't needed. For instance, if you don't use Blogblast, tap it and uninstall. Now instead of uninstalling, install AccuBattery from the Play Store. It will tell you if there are any battery errors. Search for AccuBattery by Digibytes, ignore sponsored apps, tap install, and wait. It's only 50 MB and installs quickly. Once installed, tap open, swipe through the setup, and let the calibration process run. When it's done, tap Continue. You'll see your device model and battery design capacity. It might show a different value, but check your actual capacity and set it accordingly. Tap Finish. There may be a warning about the app being killed in the background, but that's usually fine. If nothing appears wrong, restart your phone to refresh the system. Press and hold the power and volume up buttons together, then swipe up to restart. If the restart doesn't help, I'd recommend visiting an authorized service center, as there could be an issue you can't fix yourself. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, leave a like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you in the next one.